Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel SAP SD and ABAP League Support. It is continuation series on SAP SD debugging for functional consultants. Let's get started. In ABAP, we have one functionality that is called go to statement. Let's see what is the purpose of that one, how to use that. Okay, now I am trying to debug this order now. Let me add a breakpoint here and let me double click on the item. If I double click, breakpoint has been triggered. Now let me click F7. Okay, if you see here, these are executable statements. That means if I click F5, it will go line by line. F5, let me click F7. F5, it will go inside. Again F7, F5 going inside, right? So these are class and methods. Okay. So if I click on F5, it's going line by line. But I want to test something in the debug mode to skip any of the executable statement. For example, currently the breakpoint in line number 21. I don't want to execute line number 21 and 22. I want to jump to 23. I want to see what will happen if I skip these two statements. So I want to test this. Okay, then how to test this means, okay, put a cursor on the line number 23. In the keyboard, press Shift plus F12. You see, after pressing Shift plus F12, the cursor came to 23rd line from 21. Similar way, if I want to go back to 21 means again put the cursor on the 21 line number, press Shift plus F12. Again I came back now. So this go to statement will be used to go forward or backward. And so keyword is Shift plus F12. Shift plus F12. Right, you see here. If you don't want to use the keyword, then in the menu also we have that option. Okay. In the debugger, okay, put the cursor on line number 23. In the debugger, you see go to statement. Shortcut is Shift plus F12. Click this, it will come here. So remember that this go to statement will be used in the same program, not in the other programs. What I mean to say is that the standard we can see so many programs has been triggered. So with the help of this go to statement, you can't go back to the previous program. It won't work. It will work only in the same program. The same program, if you want to go backward or forward for any of the lines, that can be possible, but you can't go backwards to this previous program in the stack. That's not possible at all. Basically, why we need to do this go to statement is that suppose there is an issue in the system in some functionality, we would like to understand what will happen if particular statement is skipped. So we want to see the result. So instead of doing the code changes from development to quality and test it, we can directly do the testing like this in the go to statement using, right? So it will help us to analyze this issue in better way, and we can simulate and understand what will be and how it will work if we stop executing the particular piece of code. And it is not about the piece of code, it's about any perform also. For example, let me put a breakpoint here. I want to come here means put Shift plus F12. See, the breakpoint came directly here. It skipped everything from 23rd till this. It skipped every line of piece of code. It directly came here, 23rd line. Let me click on F8 now. See, this is how we should work, and this is the use of Shift plus F12, that is go to statement. Thanks everyone. We will continue in the next video.